Hi everyone, Mrs. Smart here, talking about fractions greater than 1. So sometimes these are called improper fractions, and really all we do is when we have more than one whole, you simply count up all of the pieces. So there's 3 pieces here, 3 more pieces here, so that's a total of 6, and then 1 more piece over here, so that's a total of 7 pieces. So when you write a fraction greater than 1 or an improper fraction, those 7 pieces that are shaded go on the top in your numerator, and then on the bottom, you still use how many pieces each whole is cut up into. So each whole is cut up into thirds, so our denominator is thirds. So here in this picture, we have 7 thirds. And to write it as a fraction greater than 1, you write it like this. 7 sections are shaded, and each whole is cut into thirds. Another way to write this value is as a mixed number. A mixed number has a whole number and a fraction together. So in our picture, we have 2 of our circles that are completely shaded in. So we have 3 thirds that are shaded in. So that means that's 1 whole. And here's another whole, so that's 2. And then 1/3 in this last circle. So you write 2 for the 2 circles that are completely shaded in, and then 1/3 as the regular fraction. That's a mixed number. You can go back and forth between these two. So if you have a mixed number and you want to write it as an improper fraction, you think about, okay, I have 1 whole plus 1 whole plus 1/3. So 3 plus 3 plus 1 is 7. And then the denominator stays the same, just like when you're adding regular fractions. Another way to think about it is that you have 3 wholes or 3 pieces 2 times. So 3 times 2 is 6. And then you add on that 1/3 that we have left over. So 3 times 2 plus 1 equals 7 thirds. So that's how you can write a mixed number and then switch it to an improper fraction. You can do all addition, or you can do kind of that multiplication, denominator times whole number plus the numerator. If you want to go the other way, and if you are starting with the improper fraction or the fraction greater than 1, excuse me, you start writing out the wholes until you reach your numerator. So I've got 3 thirds plus 3 thirds, and in my mind I'm kind of calculating, okay, that's 6 thirds. I only need 1 more. So then I can go back and count. Okay, there's 1 whole and another one, so that's 2. And then this one isn't a whole yet, it's only 1/3. So I would rewrite it as 2 and 1/3. Another way to think about it is as a division problem. Every fraction you've ever written or ever will write can be rewritten as a division problem. Here's the numerator, 7, divided by 3, the denominator. So how many times does 3 go into 7? It goes in 2 times with a remainder of 1. So we rewrite that as, here's the 2 times, it goes in 2 times, and here's the remainder. Here's the 1 as the remainder. And then the denominator is still thirds. So you'll need to practice going back and forth between improper fractions or fractions greater than 1 and mixed numbers, and be able to be fluent going back and forth between both of them. I hope this helps in your math work, and as always, have a great day.